Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to everybody. We're gonna do a Tomahawk Ribeye on the Weber Kettle. Y'all check this out, man. This thing is huge. It's probably pushing about 3 inches thick. 2.75 pounds. Now look at that bad boy. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this seasoned up right quick with some Kosmos Q Cow cover. Y'all go check out old Cosmo, man. He got some good rubs. A lot of good rubs out there, y'all. So we're gonna hit this with some Kosmo Q. And it has been setting out, coming up to room temp, about 20 minutes or so. Just pat it in. Make sure you get sides. Heck yeah. Alright gang. We'll go out and check the grill. We're going to let that marinate for a few minutes, so we'll be back. Alright gang, the grill's hot. We're going indirect. I just have one charcoal basket on that side. Reverse series, y'all remember? Look at that boy, isn't that pretty? Nice color, huh? We're going to put this dude back here. And we're going to put a little bit of pecan smoke on here. Just like that. And we're going to let her rip, tater chip. We got some new tongs, Weber. Nice, huh? Getting broke in on this cook. Alright, gang. Throw the lid on here. We're going to probably go up to about 100 degrees or somewhere like that. And then we're going to move it over to your direct for searing. So we'll check on this probably about 10 minutes or so. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. Let's check our temp right quick. Weber's running about 300. About 69, 68. 75 on the lip there. Alright, we're going to go a little more on. I might move it a little closer to the fire. And we'll be back probably about another, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Alright, about another 10 minutes in. Let's see how we're doing on temp. Come on. We're getting close. Alright, a little bit more, y'all. Alright. About another 10 minutes. Let's see what we got, y'all. And I did flip this, so. Oh, look at that. 95. Close enough. Let me get my charcoal reconfigured. I did put some Conecuh sausage on there. So we're going to leave that out there to hang out. But I'm going to reconfigure and reheat my charcoal to get a good searing blaze. And I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, y'all. We reconfigure. We're screaming hot. Let's do this. Yeah, what's that sound? We'll give it about a minute. And we'll be back. Alright, let's flip this thing. Y'all's all I can say. Smells good. Alright gang, we right there at it. About 2-3 minutes on each side. I'm gonna kiss it on this side one more time. Oh yeah, baby. Alright. Let's get it off and let it rest. Whew, good gracious. Get our sausage put back there. Let our Conecuh sausage finish cooking there. Oh, isn't that pretty? We'll bring this stuff down and let it rest, and we're gonna make some bread and put it on the grill. We'll be back. All right, bread time. man, that sauce is getting down, y'all. Let's flip it over right quick. Let's move it back. Probably pull it off here in a couple of minutes. Alright. About 10 minutes on the Weber. That's all it takes. Alright, I'll set it as a timer. We'll be back in about 10 minutes. Steak's resting. 134, that's good. That bull, that's tender. Oh my goodness. We're gonna let that rest while the bread and the sausage get done. Miss Cary made some dirty rice and some corn. And we'll be back here in just a little bit when we cut this up. Alright, we are done. Everything's pulled off. The tomahawk's been resting, probably about a good 20-30 minutes. So y'all check this out. I got a delivery. My new Dalstrong Gladiator Series 12-inch meat slicer. Pack of wood handle, full tang, and it's a very nice knife. Very nice. First time I'm going to use it on this Tomahawk Ribeye here, so pretty neat, man. Feels good in hand. So let's get down here and cut this thing up a little bit. Let's start with this lid. Look at that juice, y'all. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, that like how you say, a hot knife through butter. There you go, guys. That's the lip there. I'm thinking what we need to do here today is cut this off the bone. Follow that bone straight. Oh, look at that. Follow that bone straight down. Yes, sir. I'm going to save that goodness for later. Since me and Cary's going to split this one, I think we'll just cut it down the middle. What y'all think? Jeez whiz, that knife is, whoo-hoo, son. That's serious, y'all. Probably not your typical way to cut it, but man, look at that. Juicy as all get out, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Nice and medium. We dripping. Alright, guys. Boy, I tell y'all what, that knife is sweet. Holy smokes, that is awesome. Alright, y'all come up here and let's get a little bit of this. Kosmos Q Cow cover. Alright. And it is super juicy. Man, I'm tickled to death with that cook. Ciao, Gizmo. Oh, there y'all. And that's the middle. Nice crust. Medium. Cow cover is rocking. That's just right, y'all. Dang, that's good. Nice and tender. Great flavor. That's the piece of the lip there, and on the end, there's a little more done in the middle. Cheers to you. Ooh, and the pecan smoke, just right, y'all, just right. All right, gang. Dang, that's good, man. I really like that. Big Tomahawk Ribeye. Anyway, I'm gonna get some pics for y'all. And you know what? Before I do that, y'all gotta come see this. Look, y'all check that out. Now we'll get some pics of it. Look at that. Jeez, look at all the juice. That nice crust. Nice crust there on that rib cap. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Freaking fantastic. Hey gang, we appreciate y'all. And what a good cook this was. Kosmos Q rocking with the cow cover, man. All his rubs are good too. Y'all check out KosmosQ.com. Y'all check out my buddy Steve over at UncleSteveShake.com. Sucklebusters.com. Everybody's got good stuff, man. Anyway, we're going to play it up and get out of here. Thank y'all for tuning in. We'll see y'all next weekend. Bye-bye.